what did we get today, Huck?
We got a skid loader.
What are we gonna do?
We're gonna dig up a big hole.
We got the machine delivered and we're gonna start tearing into the fire pit area. We're gonna try to grade it, make it flat. That way we can make a nice surround for the fire pit, get some picnic tables up in there, and hopefully make it beautiful and a fun place to hang out. So Huck and I are pretty excited to get to it.
This and pull this back when you want to go backwards, and do it this when you want to go forwards, and you gotta make this towards dump, and then make it go. And then you got these little buttons right here, and then you gotta drive it, and then you gotta turn this way, and you want to turn that way, and then you gotta pull these back.
Ty's boys came over to help us out a little bit.
I got wind recently that my younger brother had rented a Bobcat and was planning on using it himself. Naturally, I rushed right over. We have a long-standing tradition of boat not being able to have anything. And I didn't want that to change now.
So Ty heard I had a skid steer in it and he couldn't help himself. He had to come over and have a turn. So he helped me grade this out. It's looking really good. I think it's gonna be just the ticket we need for a nice little picnic spot. Next project is getting rid of all that. I freaking hate mowing around this and weed eating it. So we're gonna take care of business. And boom, just like that. Gone.